Welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your Xbox Series X or S controller where for some reason it's just not connecting to your console. Well, the very first thing I would recommend doing is double checking that your controller is even charged up or it has batteries inside of it, and you want to make sure your Xbox console is powered on. As long as those things are set up, then you're pretty much good to go for the first part. Then what you want to do, and the thing I always recommend you to do, is to grab a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cord. So what this is pretty much the cord that pretty much plugs into the Xbox that you can plug in also to your specific controller. You want to go ahead and find one of those, and all you want to do is go ahead and plug in your specific controller to that specific console. So what this ends up doing and what this looks like is you'll pretty much have this console plugged into the back of that controller, and at this point you'll pretty much see that either your controller would go ahead and light up and be connected to the console, or nothing will happen. If the controller ends up being connected to the console, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and your controller will pretty much be good to go. However, if nothing happens, then you may want to go ahead and double check that the cord that you're using is fully functional. So maybe try plugging in a different controller, maybe try plugging in a different console or phone or something, see if it charges. If it doesn't charge and if nothing's happening, then that cord you're using may actually end up being not working, so you may have to go and try a different cord. So try a couple different ones. If you find one that finally works, you want to go ahead and plug in your controller to that console, and then you should be good to go for the most part. Now let's say you're a couple weeks in and the controller just isn't being recognized by that console anymore. Well, at this point you may want to go ahead and try first of all a different cord like I mentioned, or you can try different batteries in your battery pack of your console, because if it's not turning on and if it's not powering on, then that's pretty much the next best thing you can do. Now, if you've never connected your console before to your controller, like I mentioned, the easiest way to do this is with the cord. Now, let's say nothing is going on and for some reason, every single time you have to, manually connect your controller to your console. So at this point, what you can do is actually try updating your specific Xbox console. So what this looks like is essentially go into the Xbox settings, you go into the update panel, and you try seeing if there's an update available for your console. If there is, you want to go ahead and update to it. If there isn't, you may want to try rebooting your console and just seeing how it goes from there. If you're still experiencing issues, the best thing you can do here is to pretty much contact Microsoft, have them take a look at your controller or console, and then have them troubleshoot it for you. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.